Selling your home is a huge task, and it doesn't happen overnight. It takes an experienced realtor to get your home from under contract to sold in record time, especially in today's ever-changing real estate market. Knowledge about your current marketing conditions, pricing, home staging, showings, negotiations, contracts, lenders, appraisals, closing attorneys, and so much more. Each step is vital in the success of your home sale. So it's important to contact a realtor with a proven track record to streamline the process to get you from under contract to sold in record time. Are you feeling overwhelmed about the home selling process? Would you like guidance on how to move forward? Then contact me now, Shawna Benoit.